Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to sketch this isometric view in Solidworks. I hope you enjoy. Let's start. File on new. To file on new, but okay. Top plane, a sketch. So start by designing this length of 90 millimeter. So with this of 15 millimeter, this 40 millimeter plus this 15 millimeter, extrude up to 10. So go to center rectangle, okay, assign dimension, give this 19 millimeter and give this 15 millimeter. Okay, features, extrude up to 10. Okay, select this face normal, choose corner rectangle, start by this corner up to this line, assign dimension, give this length 10. Okay, isometric, features, extrude up to 40 millimeter, say okay. So then assign this one with 10 distance, start from origin, you see. Okay, select this face normal, sketch corner rectangle, start by this up to this line. Okay, assign dimension, give this 10 millimeter. Okay, select this origin, control key, this point, make it horizontal. Okay, fully defined. Isometric, features, extrude up to 40 millimeter, say okay. So cut this one, you see the length from this point up to this line is 20, and from this one up to this point it is 10. So let's see. Select this face normal, sketch, choose line, start from this one up to this, complete this triangle. Okay, assign dimension from this point up to this line, it is 10. Okay, and from this one up to this we have 20. Okay, isometric, features, cut, extrude, blind, drawer. Okay, so you see, this is how to design simple sketch in Solidworks. I hope you have enjoyed the videos. Make white plane white, assign appearance by default, choose any appearance, say okay. So friends, this is how to design simple exercises in Solidworks. I hope you have enjoyed the videos. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos. So friends, thank you.